Complaint has been filed now against the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, and this complaint has been filed under sections 152, 192, 196 and 353 of the IPC. All of these sections have been filed with the Delhi Police Commissioner. So clearly, Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, facing the heat from not just the BJP, but also from the other chief ministers for her very controversial, inflammatory remarks when she said that if Bengal burns, so will the other states. Anshul joins us now for more details. Anshul, over to you. Just fill us in with more details about this complaint that has been filed. Who has filed this complaint against the chief minister?
Well, this is a complaint that has been given by one advocate, Vineet Jindal, and in his complaint, in fact, he has mentioned that the manner in which Mamata Banerjee had gone ahead and given these inflammatory statements, this is against the law and hence an FIR should be registered against her. However, this complaint has, at this point in time, has been sent to the President, to the Commissioner's office and also to the MHA as well. But at this point in time, there has been no FIR that has been registered against the Chief Minister. It is just a complaint that has been given. The Delhi Police will look into the details of the statements and then a requisite action could be taken by the Delhi Police. But as of now, there is no FIR that has been registered against Mamata Banerjee. But yes, this complaint has been forwarded not only to the Police Commissioner but also to the Ministry of Home Affairs and also to the President's House as well. It remains to be seen what kind of action will the Delhi Police deem necessary against the complaint that has been given to them by Advocate.
So what action can be taken and what happens here on following the registration of this complaint under the various sections of the IPC?
So yes, at this point in time, the complaint has been given. Now the Delhi Police will look into the material that is in that complaint, and post that an FIR under requisite section, whatever the Delhi Police feels needs to be done. Then the FIR against upon requisite sections would be registered, and then eventually the investigation into the entire matter will start. But at this point in time, the Delhi Police is looking into if at all these statements were somewhere or the other inflammatory, and this could have inflated the situation, and that could create a law and order situation. If at all that is something that the Delhi Police feels could happen, then an FIR could be registered, and then Mamata Banerjee could be asked to join into the investigation to give her side of the version.
So just on that point, so could you just elaborate on what exactly will happen here on as part of the investigations? Like the Delhi Police, they will have to go through that footage. They will have to hear a speech all over again, I'm assuming?
So yes, the entire speech of Mamata Banerjee will be heard by Delhi Police, and then the investigating officer, it is his prerogative to actually go ahead and see if at all an FIR could be made out of the complaint that has been given to them, and if at all the statements that were made by the West Bengal Chief Minister, if at all those statements had the capacity to create a law and order situation, especially out here in the national capital, and if at all the officer feels that this statement could actually inflate the situation and the law and order situation could happen out here in the national capital, then he can actually go ahead and register an FIR under relevant sections.
Okay.
And once that FIR is registered, then it is also likely that Mamata Banerjee would be asked for her side of the story, what made her give these speeches. All these questions would be posed in front of the West Bengal Chief Minister. But yes, that is a far-fetched idea at this point in time. It is just a complaint that has been given. Now it remains to be seen if at all the Delhi Police will feel necessary to file an FIR in this entire matter.